I did Amazon, I did eBay, I did Shopify, I have brick and mortar businesses. Follow me right now, as my main objective every day is to try to make money from the stock market. I'm on the road to 3 million. This episode, I'm not sure what it is, but this is just an intro. And right now you can see me break down videos on here on my YouTube. Look at the books, check everything out, and be in touch. Message me through here, Twitter. Get up with me. It's going to be a phone number and email, and we can talk about any subject, Gonna stocks, crypto, what we need to in business. Let's go. Multi-day break.
Yeah, YouTube. So as we check out this multi-day breakout pattern, there's a lot of people who teach this pattern. I've seen different ways to play it. I'll tell you like this. I barely put breakouts nowadays. I can't say I don't play them, but I barely play them. And when I do, I mean, it almost has to be A1 and I'm in and out, which makes me a lot of the time not play it anyway, because it kind of goes against the grain of my other trading thesis and process, right? So as I'm breaking it down right here on the, not the daily chart, but the intraday, whatever, I'll show you right here where it broke out, right where that line's at, right? You have an entry there. I believe it might have been 5, whatever. And then you have another entry right there. And I showed you, right, how it's so dangerous up in there. Look at that, where I'm putting this line. I mean, bro, how is that not a good short at that double top, right? And I get it. You see momentum. This stock can even go Monday. I believe it might go Monday and maybe test, maybe just get demolished, right? Now we have it right here where I'm zooming in stocks to trade right here. You see, I'll show you the 2 entries that I think are okay. Did I take either of them? Absolutely not, right? That's So if you look right here, back in November, right? So we got FLJ on the 4-hour chart. This is really just showing me why I'm literally not going to take this trade today at all. And I'm just going to avoid this stock. But I just want to show you guys. This was November 20-something. You see that spike? It's killed. Way back down from 13s, way down to the 4s. Gives us another spike, gets killed. Now, I believe it does like some type of reverse or something like that. And I want you guys just to check this out. It had some news right here. Spike and gets killed, right? So there's going to be a lot of people, in my opinion, or that I see on these Twitters and things, they're going to think this is a good trade down, or if it breaks here or whatever. To me, this is just dangerous. Look at this. But when you see it from this angle, it can show you exactly what you should avoid, what you could go for, right?
They breakout pattern, XCure, former runner, it got halted. I think it has split. This stock has went up and down so many times I can't even count to, right? XPO and a couple stocks like this, right? Had a financing deal, receiving $10 million in exchange for controlled interest in the company. So I saw the news. I saw it had a few green days, right? There was a pattern I read in a book, right, by Steve Neeson about trading candlesticks. And bottom line in that book, they said if you have 6 or 9 green days in a row, look for the crack. Look for it to stop. This was back in the 1900s. They're writing about this book, but same applies now. I knew this was going too far. I mean, it went from the 1s way up to the 30s. So what is that? 3,000%? 1,000 would turn into 30,000, right? You'll see that every day. Look at this every day, what it does. So I didn't play XCure. I don't really play multi-day breakouts, but I could do a whole channel on them. And, oh, man, the many stocks that have done it that I've got cracked on, that I've made a lot of money on, a lot of predictable dip buys and stuff. But for me, it's just not my style at the moment or anymore, and more than likely probably won't be. But this ends up going. So this, I have recorded this a while ago. I'm just now doing the voiceover. But at this time, now, earlier this week, it ended up being a dip buy. I didn't play it, but it went around 20, came back up. So be on the lookout for these stocks. They have so much potential with certain news, even weak news. Once the shorts get trapped, once the volume comes in, it's a party. So be on the lookout for stocks that can move. Be on the lookout for volatility. Be on the lookout for big moves. Be on the lookout for former runners, news. I'm giving it to you right now. Literally, just if you go to the front of this video, show you the whole news segment. So look for that. Look and see. Now, different news holds different weight. Price action can be king to some people. So it's more than that, right? But the bottom line is the bottom line. This stock got news. It had volatility. It ran before. It trapped everybody and just went. Going to be posting a lot of videos later this week, probably this weekend, on different stocks too. There was a DRUG did a multi-day. DRUG was a multi-day breakout. XPO, many stocks I can show you.